You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this word, correctly if you want to learn how to say more confusing vocabulary in English. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as ballistic, not ballistic. No, b, a schwa sound and a sound. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, consistent for once. Ballistic, stress on the second syllable, the less syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce ballistic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.